and welcome back to my channel, C Panda Crafts. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Wendy, and today I have a 100 yen blind haul to share with you guys. My husband recently went to Japan on a work trip, and while he was walking to dinner one day, he passed by a 100 yen shop, which is kind of like a Japanese Dollar Tree. So I was on the phone with him when he passed by, and I was like, you have to go in there and do a haul, and don't tell me what you get, just get a bunch of random things that you think I would like or would be kind of cool. And I just had this idea that I wanted to do a blind haul here on my channel. I wanted to see these things for the first time with you guys, so I thought I would do this haul. And don't get me started on the plastic bag, you guys. He didn't travel with any reusable bags, so that's why I have the plastic bag. But I'm so excited to find out what's in here and see all the goodies he got. And so you guys are going to be seeing these things with me for the first time, so I'm really excited. So I'm going to just go ahead and kind of pull things out at random here. This feels like it's a set of something. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So is there any more? Oh, it looks like there's another one. Oh my gosh, look at this little cup set, you guys. So you have, oh, there's a panda on it. Oh, that's cute. There's a little kitty cat. What do they say on them? Petite cup. These are adorable. So it's like this little stacking cup set. So it looks like you have a kitty, a bear, a panda, and another kitty. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. I love this. My daughter will also love this. This is super cute. I'm really excited about that. All right, next item. This is a masking tape cutter. What in the world? I can't read it because it's all in Japanese writing. It looks like it goes on a wall. Oh, okay, yeah, so you mount it on the wall and you just pull out the tape. That's pretty cool. That will be awesome to kind of maybe put up maybe somewhere on my desk, mount it. That's really neat. Really like that one. All right. Next item. Oh, this is really pretty. It's this stationery set. It looks like an envelope. Oh, this is really nice. I'm gonna open it up and see if it's one. Oh my goodness. So far he did really good. And he said he spent approximately $20, which would be, I think, 20,000 yen. I don't know, you guys. I can't math or do like exchange rates. I don't understand all of that. Okay, so it's like a little stationery set. So you have like this really, really nice paper. And then you have this like envelope. And then this piece of paper. Oh, this is really nice. And then it comes with, the inside looks like that. So this is really nice. This is going to be perfect for my junk journaling. I really, really like this. All right, next item. And the company is called FLET'S 100 yen shop. So you have, it says display parts, stationery, cosmetics, gardening, daily goods, hobby goods, food, and drinks. So it's just like a Japanese Dollar Tree, and it's so funny that the bag is all in American, but the products themselves are not. I think that's kind of funny. What is this. Okay, so this looks like, oh, it's like a punch, a hole punch. A hole punch? What is this? Okay, so the back looks like this. Let's take it out and see. Oh, it's a little smiley face hole punch. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. I love Japan's packaging. He also brought me back a bunch of like little snacks, and oh my gosh, some of the best chocolate I've ever had. It's called like melting sand, and it's a piece of chocolate and it literally melts in your mouth, and it has like this orange syrup in it as well. It's so good. But I love their packaging. It's so cute, so different. All right, next item, little patches, Mary Hobby. Okay, so they're iron-on little patches, and those look like maybe like little trucks or ambulances. Those are cute. And then there's another one, and this one is little tulips. Aw, this would look really cute on a hat because it's like that embroidery material. Like, you know, those like ball caps with like the little, just like the one little image on it. That would be really cute for that. What else do we got? A bottle cover. This is cute. This one is an American and Japanese. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's really nice material too. All right, so now we have some masking tape or washi tape. He knows I love washi. So this one is like this really pretty orange and yellow flowers. So this one's really pretty. And I apologize about the lighting. I'm filming this as the sun is going down, and I really need to get some, like, I guess filming lights on Amazon or something. All right, next item. More of those little patches. These are elephants. I think these are so cute. My favorite so far. All right. Next item. What in the world is this? Is it a mold? Look at this. Okay, wait. I think I can read the instructions. Is it for eggs? Okay. So on the back, it has like a picture of an egg, and you put it in there. Oh, it's an egg boiler. Okay, and then wait, no. What do you do with this? Do you boil it? Like, that's an egg, right? And then you put it in the mold, and then you make an egg mold? That is interesting. I'm gonna try it out, and I think that's what you do with it. All right, we're getting down to the last items. More washi tape. Ooh, I like this one. This one is a like an astrology zodiac one. So this one has, this will look perfect with my paper zodiac astrology paper pack. So this one just has all of the little constellations on it. So this one's super cute. Really love that one. All right. Next item. Oh, look at this keychain. That's adorable. I love keychains. I love collecting keychains. I love this little waving cat. Cute. All right, next one. All right, more washi. So this one is the black and white polka dot. This one is super cute. I love that he got washi tape for my collection. I don't really have a ton of washi tape, so I'm excited about that. More washi. Okay, so that one was the black and white polka dot, and then this one is white with black polka dots, and it kind of looks like the polka dots are moving on this one, which is really cool. All right, how many more? I think there's 4 more items. What is this thing? A spoon. Oh, this is cute. So it looks like this little wooden spoon. This one is also made in China. Okay, I got that. Chopsticks. He actually got me chopsticks because that was like one of the things that I really, really wanted while he's in Japan, was a nice set of chopsticks, and he got me 2 sets, and one of them was so nice. I love those chopsticks so much, and I love the other ones he got too. And then he got me another set of chopsticks, and these ones are so cute. I love these. They look like little clovers on them. So that is what they look like. Oh my gosh, I love chopsticks. All right, and the last 2 items, more washi tape. This one is ice cream. Oh, this is cute. These little ice creams. Oh my gosh, I love that he got me washi tape. So this is what they look like. All right, and the very last item is another washi. Okay, this one is probably my favorite. This is my favorite, and I have seen this image before. I don't know what you call this, but I've seen this little egg. It was on an Ipsy bag, I think 1 or 2 years ago, on one of my Ipsy bags, this little egg. I love this one. This one is my favorite. Little egg yolks. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's by Gudetama. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I'm probably not pronouncing that right. But you guys, this is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, he did so good. So good. All right, guys, well, that's it for this very different haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you thought it was fun and different. Let me know if you guys liked it by clicking that like button. It helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider doing so. And until my next video, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.